Format Painter is the fastest way to copy formatting in Excel. Start by selecting the cell that already looks the way you want. This could include background color, font style, alignment, borders, and number formatting. Once selected, click the Format Painter button. The cursor changes to a paintbrush, showing that the formatting is ready to be applied. To copy the formatting to a single cell, simply click the target cell. The formatting is applied instantly and matches the original cell. To apply the same formatting to multiple cells or an entire column, select the formatted cell again, click Format Painter, then click and drag across the range where you want the formatting applied. When you release the mouse button, the formatting is copied to all selected cells. If you need to apply the same formatting to several separate areas, there is an even faster option. Select the formatted cell and double-click the Format Painter button. This keeps the tool active, allowing you to click or select multiple cells and ranges across the worksheet without reselecting the tool each time. When you're finished, press Escape to turn Format Painter off. Using Format Painter helps keep your spreadsheet consistent and professional while saving time and effort.